plot and label the following points. Point A is the coordinate point 2, -3. So this is basically a set of instructions to follow from the origin. So from the origin, from the coordinate point 0, 0, because the first part of the coordinate point is a +2, we're going to move 2 units to the right. And from there, the second set of instructions, -3, indicates that we're going to be moving down 3 units. So from the origin, we travel to the right 2 units and then down 3 units. And we're going to go ahead and mark that point and label it with the A. Let's go ahead and try another one. Here we have -3, 5. So we start at the origin, and the -3 indicates we're going to move to the left 3 units, and the +5 means that from there we're going to move up 5 units. So we're going to go ahead and label that coordinate point and call it B. Point C is the coordinate point 4, 0. So from the origin, we're going to go ahead and travel 4 units to the right. And from there, we're going to travel 0 units up or down. So in other words, we're going to stay right on the x-axis. So 4, 0 is on the x-axis. Now part D is 0, -1. So 0 means that we're not going to travel right or left at all. We're just going to stay at the origin. And then the second coordinate, -1, indicates that we're going to move down 1 unit. So I'm going to be on the y-axis, and I'm going to label point D. Now for part E, we have the point 4, 7/2. So here we want to go ahead and express this as a decimal to help us plot this point more accurately. So this is 4, 3.5. 2 goes into 7 3 times with a remainder of 1, so 3.5. So here, from the origin, we're going to travel 4 units to the right because that's a positive first coordinate. And the second coordinate, 3.5, we're going to go up 3.5. So right between 3 and 4 is where we're going to label our point E. And then finally, we have -1, -1/2. So we start at the origin every time. The -1 means I'm going to go left 1, and the -1/2 means I'm going to go down 1/2. So I'm going to land in quadrant 4 and label my point